Welcome to this spacious and updated end unit condo with over 3,000 square feet of living space. The beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an open floor plan that's perfect for a modern lifestyle. The large living area includes one of 2 gas fireplaces, with the other gas fireplace located in the lower level family room. Plenty of natural light is provided by the updated windows, brightening the space throughout. Other updates include the furnace and central air conditioning, which have been recently replaced. The updated kitchen is perfect for cooking and entertaining, and it flows effortlessly into the dining and living areas. Retreat into the master suite, offering maximum comfort, including a walk-in tile shower and lots of closet space. The other 2 bedrooms are nice size and also boast large closets. Down on the lower level, you'll find a large and open living area, as well as an unfinished area that has even more storage. Step outside and enjoy spending your summer on the extra large patio with hot tub, perfect for relaxing or entertaining with friends. Additionally, the community offers fantastic amenities, including the 4 swimming pools, tennis and pickleball courts, a playground, a clubhouse, and walking trail. What are you waiting for? Give Mary Mauger a call to see this gem while it lasts.